Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, so just a little bit about me, Chef Nix. I am roughly, how old am I again? Anyways, yes guys, I am at 36 years old. I'm gonna be 37 in August, and I've been cooking since the age of 9. Went to culinary school. I went to baking school as well, so I am a certified baker and a certified chef. I love to try new things, but I am extremely good at Jamaican food and I'm good at Chinese food as well. But I do cook food from all over the world, it doesn't matter. So I just want to say to you guys, thank you for actually subscribing or tuning into my channel, and please subscribe so that you can actually follow me on my journey as I share with you the food that I will cook for my family at home, right? So again, Chef Nick's recipes are posted every Tuesday. I'm trying for every Tuesday and Thursday, and something probably over the weekend, normally on a Sunday. Like my big Sunday dinner. I'm a Sunday cooker. Everybody knows that. That knows me. So yeah. So again, thank you guys for tuning to my channel and have yourself a safe stay home. It's quarantine time, guys. It's really serious. So ensure that you're doing everything that you need to be doing to keep yourself and your family safe, as well as persons around you and in your community. It's not just about you, it's about stopping the spread and flattening that curve. All right, so COVID-19, let's see how quickly we can rise above this. Bye guys.